Welcome to digital animation, where students are empowered to bring their stories and characters to life. This immersive offering covers 3 exciting areas: hand-drawn animation, 3D animation, and stop-motion animation. Each provides hands-on learning and opportunities to explore unique techniques. In hand-drawn animation, students build artistic and technical skills. They learn animation principles, dive into character design, and create dynamic, expressive drawings. 3D animation takes students into the digital world. They explore visual storytelling, develop 3D characters and worlds, and bring narratives to life through animated sequences. Stop-motion animation challenges students to work with physical materials. They learn software mastery, experiment with stop-motion tools and techniques, and create unique animations using everyday objects. Throughout the program, students will find their creative spark, gain a sense of artistic pride, and master the tools needed to bring stories to life through movement. Enroll digital animation today and watch your students' creativity come alive, frame by frame.